आज हम पढ़ेंगे गुलमोहर इंग्लिश रीडर के पोयम कोरोमंडल फिशर्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को। ये गुलमोहर गोल्डन जुबली एडिशंस के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं। पोयम का एक्सप्लेनेशन देखना है तो उसका लिंक आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन से मिल जाएगा। तो रीड करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इट इज़ अ काम मॉर्निंग, हाउ डू यू नो? Answer, the morning is calm because the poem describes the wakening sky and the wind lying asleep in the arm of the dawn. This suggests a peaceful, tranquil atmosphere. Question number 2, why are the fishermen eager to get into the catamarans and go out to the sea? The fishermen are eager to get into their catamarans and go out to sea because they want to capture the wealth of the tide. They see themselves as the king of the sea and the ocean as their domain. Question 3, what make them so willing to take on the challenges of the professions? Answer, the fishermen are willing to take on the challenges on their professions because they find joy and fulfillment in being at sea. The freedom, adventure, and connection with nature outweigh the hardship they may face. Question number 4, why are the fishermen the kings of the sea? Answer, the fishermen call themselves king of the sea because they have mastery over it, capture its wealth, and navigating its waters with skill. Question B, why do they say this when they are calling their comrades? They say this when calling their comrades to emphasize their unity and strength as a collective facing the sea together. Question number 5, what does the poem mean by hasten away in the track of the seagull's call? Answer is, hasten away in the track of seagull's call means to follow the seagull's path swiftly, suggesting a sense of urgency and adventure as they set out to sea. Question 6, what are the things that the fishermen enjoy on the land? Answer, on land, the fishermen enjoy the shade of the coconut glade, the scent of mango groves, and the sand at the full of moon with the sound of the voice they love. Next, do you think the fishermen prefer being at sea to being on the seashore? Answer, yes, fishermen prefer being at sea to being on shore. The poem emphasizes the joy and freedom that they find at sea, while their description of land and fleeting compared to the vivid imagery of the ocean. Question 8, who is the sea god and how is he described? How does the sea god watch over the fishermen? Answer is, the sea god is described as holding the storm by the hair, suggesting power and control over the sea. He watches over the fishermen by keeping their lives safe despite the danger of the sea. Question number 9, what shows us that the fishermen respect the sea? Answer is, the fishermen respect the sea by acknowledging its power, unpredictability, yet still venturing out to capture its wealth. Question B, are aware of the role of the sea play in their lives? Answer is, they are aware of the role the sea plays in their lives as their mother and provider, as compressed in the line like the sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, are our the waves are our corromates all. Next answer is appreciating. Answer is, the wind is personified as lying asleep in the arm of dawn like a child that has cried all night. The dawn is personified as praying to the morning light. This personification adds depth and emotion to the scene. Second answer is, the sea is compared to the fisherman's mother, the cloud to their brother, and the waves to their corromates. This tells us the fishermen have a deep familial bond with the sea, evoking feeling of love, protection, and camaraderie. Answer 3, the poem is written in the voice of one fisherman calling to his comrades to set out to sea to create a sense of unity and urgency. as they embark on their journey together. If it were written as a description of the fishermen going out to sea, it would lack the communal spirit and the recalling call to the action that the current form convey.